Right, so step 91, add one last image under dessert's heading using the URL. Give the image an alt attribute of an alt value of pi icon. No, we'll just copy and paste that. So Control C or just run it a line. And Control C. Then we go desert. So we need a left hand sign, image source equals, but it equals, we need a backslash of that or just that. And if it works, you should see a pi. If it doesn't, you'll see none. No. If I take that out, there's no pi. That's just a image source equals inverted commas, Control V. As I say, either backslash or just that. And then you'll see a wee desert. Apple pie, sorry. A pie. I think it's I don't know if it's an apple pie actually. So ALT alt pi icon. Check your code. Moving on. Yabba dabba do. So that's how you do that for the beginning. So Camper Cafe, coffee. Visit our website. And it's 123 Free Code Camp Drive. Whoever you want to make the address. Back to Wednesday forward. Right, so moving on. Yabba dabba do. It would be nice if the vertical space between the H2 elements and their associated icons were smaller. The H2 elements have default top and bottom margin space. So you could change the bottom margin of the H2 elements to say 0 or another number. There is an easy way. Simply add a negative top margin to the image element to pull them up to their current positions. Negative values are created using and minus in front of the value. To complete this project, go ahead and use a negative top margin 25 pixels on the image type selector. So margin top colon minus 25 pixels semicolon. Yabba dabba do. Moving on. Here's a preview of what you will build. CSS color markers. Start coding. As you've seen in the previous projects, web pages should start with a doc-type HTML declaration followed by an HTML element. Add a doc-type declaration to the top of the document and an HTML element after the. Give the HTML a language attribute with an EN as its value. Right, so doc-type HTML, closing. I know it's a self-closing in it. And then we're going to get HTML element, closing HTML, and in the HTML element we need to give it a language equals EN for English. Yay! Yabba dabba do. I mean, the first time I tried to do that, it wasn't work. Nest a head element within the HTML element just after the head element as a body element. So we've got a head tag, a closing head tag with a backslash, and a body element after that. Body. And a closing body with a backslash. Yabba dabba do. Moving on. Remember, the title element gives search engines extra information about the page. It also tells the browser what text to display in the title bar when the page is open and on the tab for the page. With the head element, Nest